In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the same item to multiple boards automatically in Monday.com. This is really useful if you're managing work that needs to appear in more than one place, like a task that involves different teams or a project that must be tracked on both a main overview board and a detailed team board. Instead of manually recreating the same item on each board, we'll let Monday.com do the work for you using automations. First, open the board where you usually create your items. At the top of the board, look for the Automate button. Go ahead and click on Automate. This is where you can set up rules that tell Monday.com what to do whenever something specific happens. Once the Automation Center opens, click on Create Automation. This lets you build a custom rule from scratch, instead of using a pre-made recipe. You'll see a sentence-like structure that usually starts with, "When this happens, then do that." We're going to define both parts. Start by clicking on the part that says, "When this happens." This is your trigger, the event that makes the automation run. From the list of options that appears, choose When Item Created. That means every time a new item is added to this board, Monday.com will automatically apply whatever action we define next. Now that the trigger is set, scroll down through the available actions until you find the one that lets you add the same item to another board. The wording may be something like, "Create item in another board," or "Add the same item to board." Keep scrolling until you see the option that clearly refers to adding or mirroring the item on a different board, then select it. After selecting that action, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked which board you want to send the item to, and sometimes which group on that board it should appear in. Take a moment to choose the correct destination board and double-check you're not sending it to a test or archive board by mistake. If there are additional field mapping options, you can confirm that important details like name, status, and owner carry over properly. When everything looks good, confirm your choices. Finally, click on Create Automation to save it. From now on, every time a new item is created on your original board, Monday.com will automatically create the same item on the board you selected, keeping both places in sync without any extra effort from you.